So Kwaito apologized to his mother because he realized that the tone that he used and how he was articulating himself to the mother was incorrect. Then we thank God that he decided to come back with his wife, of course, and apologize and said, you know what, tsela e ke boletseng le lena ka yona aowa mana ha ya ndula pila so ke tlile mo go tlo kopa maitshwarelo, and the mother says yes. Well, the car is still there, but however the wife says I'm a bit concerned gore Glenda yena o ikutlwa byang, and then Mantula is like, yes, I feel so bad for her. Ooh, Kwaito. I think I don't know if the separation between Kwaito and Glenda was so basic, so much so that he cannot move on, even when it's time for sympathizing with her. He feels like it wouldn't have been done any other way. Like, I understand and move on. Why is he so bitter when it comes to Glenda? Or does he still want Glenda to be part of his life? Or oh, betunan. So, so anyway, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Skeem Saame. Sanibonani abusheni molweni ninjani ivukile hingongwena. So namuhla ka ngono kwa hina wa Skeem Saame hikuma ku roshula tsamsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that uMaNtuli decided to go and see uShongwe and just enlighten him how much he has hurt the family and what the lies could have caused should he not come home in time. Because if it wasn't for him coming home, nkabe le gore ne ba shwetse dibitse leng gore ha ba di itse. So which was a problem for her, but he did indicate that I was trying to change my life. Well, speaking of trying to change life, Menier Maung was not having it easy. They had a class barking a staff meeting. During the staff meetings, there was a lot of questions that were thrown at him, but he couldn't answer any of those until the police woke up and started asking questions. But deputy principal was also part of that, and she kept emphasizing on how Shongo was hired, and the interview was done online, and she was trying to emphasize that protocol was not followed. But Mr. Maungo asked a very straight question: are you saying that I did not follow proper protocol? Then she says, no, I was just rating the fact why did his interview happen online? And the police said, you know what, no one is allowed to speak to Intertele for now until we do all the investigation. Everyone just needs to keep calm, allow us as the police to do investigation, and only then can we start speaking. But as the police left, that friend Gashongwe was then found in principal's office, and which now brought so many questions. On the other hand, Charles Kunutu says he did not want to do a podcast, but now he's compelled to go and apologize in the podcast. Mapitzi is thrilled to get the spotlight and the hype.